Hello to everyone. I'm going to explain that how we can use the ParaView for seeing the mood shapes of natural frequency or buckling mode or in general about the structural analysis and how we can change the setting or see the moods. First, we open the ParaView. We see the structure like this that we can turn, and then here you can see the mode 1. If you want to see exact deformation on the structure, you should use this one. As you can see, here the scale factor is 1 that you can decrease to see less deformation or high deformation as you wish. There's two other factors related to the color that it can help you to have a continuous color on your structure. The first is here that you can change number of table values. For example, I put 64 and you should wait. As you see, now we have more continuous color. And again, in the left part, we have parameter that the name is nonlinear subdivision level. And here again I put on 4 to have more homogeneous color here. In the next step I would to explain you that here you can see different modes that you have. And also if you want to change the color of your background, black background, gradient background, gray, or different background, I put on white. And in the other option you can go here in the left part of the page. You see single color that you can put gradient. I put single color, and again here you can change the color as you can see. And in the next step also here for the color of the structure you can go here in the coloring and you can take away the color scale. Here you can change again the font color here. Here I put the black, you can change it on, for example, blue. And also here about the text, here this part again I put, for example, green, as you can see. And in the next step we have also this one that we can change also the structure color in general. You can put warm to cool, apply, or I hope you find this video useful. Please subscribe and like our video. Thank you for your watching.